Before we get to DateTime tool, please complete the assignments as instructed at Exercise 2, Text to Columns, and Formula Boxes. Let's learn about the DateTime tool. The DateTime tool provides you with a conversion function between date type and string type data. If you completed the assignments from the previous step, you would have this date field created in your formula tool. The date field here may have year, month, and day information, but the data itself is still a string type. So let's convert the field type into a date type by using the DateTime tool. First, I'll go to the Parse toolbar section and drag and drop DateTime tool onto the canvas. And I'll connect it with the formula tool. In the configuration pane on the left, the first box section gives you DateTime to string or string to DateTime format options. We want string to DateTime option, which is the second option. And then from the drop box down right below, I will select the input field that I want to convert, which is date field. Next, there's a box asking what to do with the column header of the converted DateTime field. Now we'll leave it as the default, DateTime_out. And after that, there's a box for choosing the DateTime language, and I will leave it as English. The bigger box section below, you will see a list. From this list, you can pick the format of date information of which you are trying to convert. From the formula tool assignment that you have completed, the combination of your string field is in the form of 4-digit year and month followed by day. So from this list of format, you can select the third option from the bottom, since your year, month, date information are separated by the slash. And if you select the custom option at the bottom, you can directly input the format of the year, month, day, and even hour, minute, and second data in this text input field below. I'll go back to our option, the third option from the bottom. And once you have finished entering and selecting all the information and options, let's hit run. And if you look at the result pane below, you will see the DateTime_out field is created and is carrying the converted information of your date field. This concludes our review of the DateTime tool. Please practice and complete assignments below the date, time, and also select boxes.